So here's a Moxom, I can't remember the exact model, but it can't charge anymore, and it seems like it will turn on. So I suppose if you open it up nicely, this is how you open it up. There are no screws or clips. It's just fixed like that through inserting some. Alright, there you go. This is how it's secured. Holds here, and this thingy-majig goes into that. It's like a peg and hold thing. So if you have a look here, this could be, well, this is definitely the issue here. Can you see? It's this very, very teeny tiny thing here. Came off from this contact point to the battery over here, so that's why it won't turn on or charge.
Okay. Benda ni tak suka.
So we have soldered it. Now it's a matter of putting it back together again. Gently, nicely. Still intact. So I want to make sure it doesn't dislodge again, because once it's dislodged, it causes some stress on the wires, and that can really mess up things. So one way to resolve this is actually just plain old glue to hold it in place. Ideally, of course, you would want to remove the hot glue that came with the unit previously. But the thing is, if I do that, I might interfere with the connection that are already made. So just trying to play it safe here, I'm just gonna put some glue here, hold it in place, put it back together again, and hope it works. Okay, so nicely, gently put the pegs in the hole. Well, you get the guiding ring there. Okay, so you don't want it to get in the way. Okay. I just have to find the configuration here with the least amount of resistance. Nope. Maybe this way. Okay, of course this one goes in here. Okay, out of the way. Gently does it. Okay, try again. First you don't succeed. Try again. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's the right configuration. Okay, everything seems fine. Everything seems to be working. This right, this left. So next step is to actually test it out. So hey, I tested it out. It works fine. The Moxom WL-46 that we repaired just now seems to be powering up. I just need to check whether the power comes in when we charge it. Otherwise, it's working pretty well. So I would call this a success. So over and out. Thanks for watching. And I got projects to do, some DIY around the house. So see you later. Bye bye.